Hello dear students, welcome to Axiomatic course. This video is the part of the solution series for IIT JAM 2017 and we are doing this problem 29 of the section A. So it is a problem from ordinary differential equation. Let us have a look. Particular integral of the differential equation. So we are given with a second order differential equation. It is a non-homogeneous differential equation because the right hand side is non-zero. So we have to find out the particular integral. So now let us firstly look at a note for the to find out a particular integral, and then we will try to solve this problem. All right. So have a look on this note. What it tells us that if fd of y is equal to x e to the power ax is our differential equation, then particular integral is given by this, and it is equal to e to the power ax by 1 over f d plus a of x, provided that on putting d plus a we have a non-zero thing. Now let us move to this problem. What is our x? Our x is sin x. And what is our a? Our a is 2. So according to the formula that is given to us, we know that particular integral will be e to the power 2x over d plus a. See, we have, firstly let us try to write this thing. We have, what is our fd? Let us write that. So our fd is d square minus 2d. Alright, this is our fd, where d represents derivative d by dx. It's a differential operator. So you have this, you can take d common out of it, so you will get this. Now fd is this, so what will be f of d plus a? D is 2, so we will get d plus 2 into d plus 2 minus 2, so we will get d. Then we have sin x. All right, now see, we have let us further write it. We have e to the power 2x by d square plus 2d, and then we have sin x. We know that if we have this kind of thing, that we have f of d square and we have a sin ax over here, we know that this is equal to sin ax by f of minus a square. This is what we know. Now use that property here. Let us erase everything. Now use this. Using this, what we will get is this. So pi will be e to the power 2x, and if you will put, see, our a in this case is minus is 1, so we have to put minus 1 in this equation. So what we will get by putting minus 1, we will get 2d minus 1 sin x. Now what you will do with it? You will again try to use this. So how you are going to use this? You will just rationalize it. If you will rationalize, what you will get, e to the power 2x by 2d minus 1 into 2d minus plus 1, and on the denominator you will have 2d plus 1 sin x. Now on the numerator, on the denominator, what will happen? You will get 4d square minus 1, and you have 2d plus 1 with you, and this is sin x. Again apply this rule. You have 1 here. If you will put here 1, you will get minus 1 by 5. What we are replacing? We are replacing d square with minus 1. So on the denominator you will have 2d minus 1 sin x, and e to the power 2x is also there. Let us write it here. So if you will multiply it here, what is the derivative of sin x? It is cos x, so you will get 2 cos x minus sin x. So minus e to the power 2x by 5 to cos x minus sin x. So finally this is our result, e to the power 2x by 5 2 cos x minus sin x. That means which option is the true option for this problem? D option is the right. No, minus is not there, so we have to think of some other option. So yeah, what is the problem? All right, so this was not 2d plus 1, it was 2d. It was not 2d minus 1, it was 2d plus 1. All right, I made a mistake there. So it will be 2 cos x plus sin x. So 2 cos x plus sin x is in the C option. That means for this problem, answer is C, B, A and D are incorrect. So this is how you can solve this problem. If you have any doubt, you can always ask in the comment section. If you have any other doubt, you can join our WhatsApp and Telegram groups. Links are given in the description part of the video. Alright, so thank you.